Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to use Google Flights. Why do you want to know how to use Google Flights? Well, maybe it's your first time using Google Flight and you don't know how to use it, right? So today I will show you how to use Google Flight easily. By the way guys, check the video description and I will try to leave the written instruction there. So right now I'm just in the Google, and here if I just type Google Flights and just hit the enter, and you will get the first link. Just click on there, and after that basically this is called Google Flights. So here, this is, of course, we use Google Flight to book the flights, right? And here you have to just enter your location. For example, if I want to go from London, yeah, and you can select the airport, from which airport you want to go. So basically I want to go from this one. And after that, if I want to go to Europe or Paris, yeah, so here, and that's it. So here you can select your dates, whatever the dates you want, right? And this is the another date, right? Round trip. So basically if here you can select it is a round trip or one way. One way, it's mean just you will go there and you don't have any specific time where you will return, right? So this is it. And here, and this is the one way. And basically if I select round trip here you can see this is the round trip, right? So this is super easy guys, and after that you have to click on done, and here you will get the flights option, that which one you can book. And after that you have to select, for example, if I select this flight, and here you can see everything is written here, and here this is a round trip, and basically I will select this return ticket, right, too. And here I will get this lot of option that I can book with this, or whether this one, or whether this one, right? So these are different websites and companies. So if I just want to book it with, because this is the lowest, I will try to book it with this one. And here after that it will redirect me to a different page, to the website from where I can book it, right? And here I have to just continue, and here I can use it to book it the flight, right? So this is super easy guys. And so there you go. If you want to know how to use Google Flight easily, this is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way how to use Google Flight, leave a comment down below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.